Welcome to the ChessMate.ink channel. In this lesson, we'll learn the movements of one of the most unique pieces in chess, the knight. The knight adds both strategic depth and excitement to the game with its distinctive movement. Let's place a knight in the center of the board. How does the knight move? It doesn't move straight like a rook, diagonally like a bishop, or freely like a queen. Its movement is completely unique. The basic rule is this: the knight moves 2 squares in one direction, then 1 square to the side. This can be forward, backward, to the right, or to the left. Let's demonstrate it on the board. 2 squares forward, 1 square to the right or left. 2 squares backward, 1 square to the right or left. 2 squares to the right, 1 square up or down. 2 squares to the left, 1 square up or down. This movement is called the L move. Remember, the long part of the L is always 2 squares, and the short part is 1 square. And the knight is the only piece that can jump over other pieces. It doesn't matter if your own piece or an opponent's piece is in front of it. As long as the target square is free of your own pieces, the knight can jump over anything. This ability gives the knight a huge advantage in crowded positions. Now, let's see how the knight captures. The knight captures an opponent's piece if it lands on that square. It doesn't capture the pieces it jumps over, only the one on the square it lands on. For example, imagine a knight in the center of the board surrounded by pawns. It can move to 8 different squares and capture any opponent piece on those squares. Now, open the knight training mode on the ChessMate.ink website. Here, you can practice the knight's movements with time attack or 8 waves modes. You'll find the link in the description and comments. Let's choose the time attack mode and see how high a score we can get. Move your knight, capture pieces one by one, and watch it take their place. Understanding the knight's moves may take time, but with the right practice, you can capture them all. This training will help you realize the full potential of the knight. Remember, rushing in chess leads to mistakes. Patience is always more valuable than speed. Now you know how the knight moves and captures pieces. Share your score in the comments. The highest score will be pinned. In the next lesson, we'll learn how the king moves. Don't forget to continue with the next video and subscribe to become a stronger chess player. ChessMate.ink wishes you chess-filled days.